Let's try again. Okay, welcome back, and we're running sets 503 and set 537 tonight. These are Ginty sets. I think these are older. I've got 3 of them. Well, I've got 4 of them. One's not in a box, but all these ones are boxed. My original one, it's my original one that's not boxed. We have done video of these before, but this set hasn't got the fish wagon. So, are you ready, John?
Yes.
As you can see, we're having a few technical issues tonight. I don't know why. I'm going to stop it in the station. Johnny's got his hands full trying to control it. So there you go. The train set that started my model railway journey. So thanks for watching, and more coming soon. Bye for now. Bye, John.
Bye.
So enthusiastic, John.